guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you very much for clicking on this video. I greatly appreciate it. As you can read by the title, we do have a little bit of friend mail. Stephanie over at Bizy Beauty sent me a friend mail box. Now, when she messaged me, she said that there was a forever hug in there. None of her hints helped me in any way, but the box did come in today. I did open it, only because I didn't know exactly what she meant. Although she said it wasn't nothing that I couldn't show on my channel, I still was a little, I need to open this first kind of thing. So, we did open it. This is the box she sent. I always love getting mail from her. She sends the best things. I will leave her information down in my description box below. Do check her out. I mean, if you have a channel or you are a big lover of makeup, you can give her a price and she will make a box for you catered to what you like. So it's always so much fun to get something from her. This is what the inside of my box looks like. So the items that she sent me was a all-in-one portable razor by Sphinx and a refill pack. Now, I've never used anything by this brand or anything like this. I used the Mach 3 men's razor. I have been using that for years, so I will try this out. Then she sent me the Amore Us highlighter kit, face and body glow. This was on her Instagram page, and this is a very stunning highlighter. It does have a little mirror in it, as you can see, but the colors are super, super pretty. Super, super pretty. And with summer coming, I will definitely be using those. I have not started tanning yet, but when I do, I can't wait to see what those look like. So there they are, if you can see that. I'm still working on how to exactly film in my camper. This is what we got. This is what I'm doing, so I hope you enjoy it. If not, give me some ideas. I'm all ears. Then she sent me something by Truly. This is the Starfruit Hydrate and Shine Hair Mask. I will definitely be using that. It's a yellow consistency, so I can't wait to try that out. I'm not going to open it yet. She also sent me the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration After Sun Lotion. This is the weightless 24-hour moisturizing. Now, I do like this lotion. I do like this line. Their lotions smell amazing, and you do feel hydrated for quite a long time. And it's not a greasy formula like some lotions can be, especially when you're tanning. You already have your tanning lotion on, and then you put other lotions on. This one's not like that. It smells amazing. Then she sent me some Sphinx, which is the same brand as the razor. This is Smooth Operator, Super Hydrating and Stubble Softening Pre-Post Shave Body Lotion. So I will also be trying that out. I'm super excited about that. I've never used a razor like that. Then she sent me a Hello Kitty Strawberries and Cream Brightening Face Mask. If you know me, you know I am addicted to Hello Kitty anything. The BU Pineapple Glycolic Acid Mask. The Sweet Peach Extract and Hyaluronic Acid by BU. The Creme Shop Banana Blueberry Fusion Sheet Mask benefits of 2 masks in 1. The Hydrating I'm Watermelon Mask, Sheet Mask by Tony Moly. Now, I've tried the Lotus and the Hemp one of these. I do like those, so I'm super excited to try that. And anything watermelon, I'm all about it. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask. Neutrogena is a good brand to use as far as skincare. Then she sent me from Pacifica, this is the Sun and Skincare SPF 50 Mineral SPF Body Butter in Pineapple Flower, water resistant for 80 minutes. And this is the body spray of pineapple flower. And it's an after sun spray. So I do like these. I've already smelled them. I've already tried them. I can't wait to start tanning. Those are going right in my bag. Comment down below if you'd like to see what's in my backpack. I don't really carry a purse. So if you'd like to see what's in my backpack, comment down below and let me know. I do have the camera sitting on the bed, so if Chloe moves it, I apologize. I will try to put that out of there if she does. And then the 3 makeup products that she sent me are, one is from Artist Couture. I'm going to need a light because y'all know I'm blind. And I'll probably need a 3rd eyeball because I'm blind. This is the shade Nympho. Like I said, it's the Artist Couture Diamond Lip Tease Lip Gloss. That is what it looks like. There is the shade color. And then that is what it looks like outside of the package. It's just a pink and purple sparkle lip gloss. Chloe's moving. So it's a sparkly pink and purple lip gloss, like an icing kind of color. So that is what it looks like. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting ready to paint them. Don't know exactly what I'm going to paint them, but I am going to paint them. And then, of course, she sent me something from Buxom. I love Buxom. For something that plumps your lips and stays on, Buxom has it going on. This is the full-on plumping lip cream in the color Froze. In the color Froze. That is what it looks like in the package. There is the name. And then there is that beautiful color. Pretty, pretty. It's just a light, like a rose color pink. And then she sent me the Light Rays palette by Hip Dot. This is a super, super, super pretty palette. There's what it looks like on the back and the color story. Super pretty palette. I mean, just the outside packaging is beautiful. And I like Hip Dot's formula. It does have a small mirror. And then those are the colors. They are all shimmer, but they are super, super pretty. That orange, it is called Sunset. Oh no. that one just screaming my name. Oh my goodness. So there is one swatch swipe. So I can't wait to use this. Let's try out that green. The green is called Aurora. Oh, it's super, super pretty. Yeah, that's going to be a great palette to play with. With summer here, these colors are going to be absolutely fabulous. And then, like I said in the beginning, when she sent this to me, she said she was sending me a forever hug. If you are new to my channel, my name is Becca, by the way. It is super exciting to meet you. I'm glad that you clicked on this video. I did recently leave my husband about 5 months ago. I do live in a tiny 27-foot camper. And Stephanie has been my person more than once, twice. And she's always there to listen to me. I have other friends that are like that also, but Stephanie's so sweet. She really does care. And besides the little friend mail that she sends me, I have bought 2 boxes from her. I have watched my friends buy boxes from her. She's absolutely amazing at what she does as far as makeup and putting together things that you will like and use. So my forever hug is this. And it's absolutely beautiful. I do hope that Chloe doesn't take it from me. Super soft, super fluffy. But it's a blanket of a unicorn with these big old lashes. It's just super cute. It's fuzzy on the inside. It's that soft material. So, yeah, I can totally see me curling up on the couch with my bug and watching movies with this and thinking about her. So, you know, Stephanie, thank you so very much for all of the things that you sent me. I can't wait to use them. Couple of, like the sheet masks, the Neutrogena one I had used before. This Hawaiian Tropic I had used before. Buxom, I love. So, the Pacifica, these are great. I love this. Stephanie always sends me such good smelling stuff. So, I appreciate that when she sends it. But anyway, guys, that is my small box of friend mail. Like I said, her link will be in the description box below for IG if you would like to hit her up. And until next time, give me a like, give me a dislike, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and leave me a comment. Like I said, let me know if you'd like to see what's in my backpack. And until the next time, y'all have a great one. Bye.